Here's our brand new Commodore. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, open layout, vinyl floors in the main living areas, electric fireplace with barnwood accent. That now comes in 3 new colors with a smoother finish. 8-foot flat ceilings, 4-light front door, large island, stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets to the ceiling, stainless farm sink, gas range, microwave, hidden pantry behind those barn doors, walks all the way around, large island, dining room with glass patio doors, pendant lights, chandelier, master bedroom, upgraded moldings, tile shower, square porcelain sinks, double shower heads, glass shelf, master closet, wooden accents that also comes in different colors. Second bathroom. Nine-light rear door, laundry room, bedroom 2, bedroom 3.